Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the green screen from photos and videos in Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is of course select your media that you want and drag it into the timeline below. Once it's there, you can start editing it freely. Now, once you've selected it, you can go into the Fusion bar, which is the middle bar out of all of these tabs in the bottom of Davinci Resolve. Click on that and then you'll get to this menu. Let me just shut everything off. This is what it's going to look like when you launch it. What you want to do is go into effects and in the search bar, search for the delta keyer. Once you find it, you just click and drag it over in the middle on this yellow line in between media in and media out. Once you've done this, a tab should open once you click inspector, and this is what it'll look like. This is the inspector tab, and here you can modify what your delta keyer will do. What you want to do now is next to background color, just select the dropper and select the color that you want to remove. In this case, it's the green background, and just hover over it, and as you can see, it is completely gone. If I go into the edit menu, as you can see, the background is now black since the background is in general black. However, if I go into the Fusion, as you can see, it's checkered, which means it is invisible or transparent. So if you go here, as you can see, everything now is black and white, and that is pretty much how it should be, considering the picture that I used. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like after. As you can see, the bird has also lost saturation and its green color because it did remove some hues from the actual shapes, but it is what it is. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.